Hi, everyone, and happy return to the Help Coin. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day. The month is almost over. Where has it gone? The end of the school year is approaching, and with it comes a wild cryptocurrency summer that might begin at any moment. We will be updating the live Twitter thread where we have been tracking the progress of the Bitcoin bull run day by day. Not exactly day by day, but more step by step. The whole event has been referred to as a 5 of 5. Aiming to go to 6 for 6, and I believe you'll enjoy my next forecast. It's Memorial Day in the US today. We had the day off. It's early and light. It is approximately 7 in the morning. This video is going to get packed on up. They're packing like crazy. Arriving at the car and heading to the casino about 45 minutes away. We're going to play some slots at the casino, have a pool party at 1, then return here because I have a delivery at 6 or 7, and I'm going to put my feet up. Not that horrible, am I right? Looks like an easy rest of the work week. We arrive on Tuesday and Wednesday. We will be off on Thursday, Friday, and maybe Monday. There's nothing wrong with that currently, but there are a lot of topics to cover in this episode. Using the markets, we will inform you about the upcoming Bitcoins. You will find the targets appealing. We will discuss Chainlink as we approach a new all-time high on that well. Without further ado, we're going to do a little XRP and a little Ripple to go along with it and see what's happening with good old Ethereum. Remain calm and settle in. Now let's get started. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is $68,625, down almost 1% over the last day. With its current value of $3,910, Ethereum has increased by 2.6% in the past day. XRP has both USDT and USDC at 99 cents. Yes, dear, I know it's down 1.6%, but over the last 30 days, you know what? I'm down 52 cents. We're eco-friendly. We have increased by 3%. The present market cap is 2,606,000,000,000 chain links, which is not too bad. Now let's look at it, $17, give or take 2.5%. However, it appears like Chainlink is poised to undergo a significant relocation, which can be forcing us to spend between $30 and $40. Let's go on to the thread first, and we'll discuss that later. To begin, let me provide an update. When we last spoke in March, we were quite cool because we had achieved our goals, right? We were hoping to make a push for Ethereum, which is coming very, very soon, and we had our sights set for Bitcoin. At 77,000 Bitcoin, where do we go from here? This is extremely easy, but what I really want to achieve is, could they open my tiny notepad and copy and paste the text we want to write in it? This is a memento. Our goal is to replicate this and share it on the internet. After that, we'll take our new thread. That's it at this point. What's next for Bitcoin? Given the recent strong consolidation in the area around $68,000 where whales are piling in, the next major move is expected to push beyond $74,500, which would take it to the low to mid $80,000 zone. That's all there is to it. That's how straightforward it is. That is what will occur. This is what is going to happen. Remove that and make sure we have room. After viewing, let's put it this way, Bitcoins are going to have a very robust and powerful rise higher. How do you know that the move we're discussing to break above 74 is underway? This is the year of Bitcoin, people, so watch it skyrocket and reach the mid to low $80,000 area. This is a story we have been telling for a while. It is approaching 100,000. It will assist in lifting someone else up with it. And once Bitcoin is finished and experiences this incredible parabolic explosion at the top, which may even occur this year, early in the following year, and reach, say, 130,170, or year 270, or even 200K, the money will eventually return and rotate between the previous coins and other cryptocurrencies. As everyone has requested, and I released this, we're back, Caitlyn Jenner, baby, 53 minutes and 7.8 million, as I'm not sure what terms are suitable for Caitlyn these days. However, just to let everyone know that celebrities are back and that they are doing amazing things, hello, take a look at the XRP store. I used to have merchandise businesses, but I ran out of time to maintain them. All right, we're back. Baby, Easy Soft Release is back. There are currently 3 goods that will bring those old-fashioned tumblers back, along with the ones that resemble Stanley Cups. Although they don't actually like Stanley Cups, they do look like Stanley Cups. The XRP logo will be inscribed on them. They are currently in production. The nice thing about the store, though, is that despite our previous struggles, we could only sell it to the US, and it was free to ship elsewhere in the globe. That's how easy it is. That's our current endeavor. No, although you can use a credit card to make payments if you want to take back your shop cash. If you've been a hypothesis on BB, you can pay Solana in order to obtain 2 of these engraved whiskey glasses. I also had a lot of various cryptocurrency on there. Are you kidding me? 65 XRP? XRP, that is a jest. Put on your XRP cap, you're probably spending about 40 XRP. These tiny pillowcases gather some materials and place them inside the items. All of this merchandise is supplied to you quite swiftly. Because everything is engraved individually, the time it takes to engrave varies based on the number of items in the line. People link in chains. There you are, awakened from its critical state of assistance. From this vantage point, we wouldn't be shocked if the price goal increased by 150 to 300%. Since my initial foray into cryptocurrency with $10, I have been discussing Chainlink. About 20 to 30 cents was what Chainlink cost. As an alternative, I invested all of my money in XRP and all I got was 50 cents. Also, Chainlink costs $70.30 today. However, are we looking at a 1.5 to 3x on this item? This might go as high as $50, as I mentioned to you at 10. I also informed the Patreon group of, I believe, the precise number in a Patreon group. We were seated around $12. This device will perform a 10x, even though it's still early, you might still receive 5 to 6 times as much, if not more. Keep in mind that my objectives and numbers are extremely low and cautious. This is going to tear. And that's it. That's how easy it is. It's going to tear. Being a member and a holder makes me happy. I am in this for the money, and I intend to make a lot of money during this bull market cycle, just like you should. Perhaps you should join our beloved Patreon group, folks, and check out everything we do on CryptoSpunk.com. You are aware that the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies, at least 9 trillion of these cycles are seen. It doesn't bother me. 9 points, I'm not going to fight it. All right, I get it. That is his lowest goal. I predict that we will reach 7 trillion, 7 to 9, with a parabolic explosion at the summit. This might occur if the cryptocurrency market grows to a value of $9 trillion. You're going to tell me that of all that, XRP won't have a single trillion. Where will XRP land at a $20 XRP if it only has 1 trillion of the 9 trillion? Which a lot of cryptocurrency analysts have spoken about being $20 for XRP take place this time. Let me just say that I want to see XRP smash its all-time high. If it does, I will dance and scream with joy. I'm going to be sprinting around the block. If we reach higher than that, that's all I want. Ignore it. Recall that we split $10. I'm hosting the best party ever. It's open to everyone. It promises to be an incredible event. Where will it end up? I'm not sure yet. We'll find out. Before we discuss, let's go to a $10 XRP. Jack said, hey, this is Ripple's goal from day one. XRP's goal has always been to become the global reserve currency. This originated back in 2017 on xrpl.org. We can even pull this up for you on the screen so you can't make this stuff up. There you have it. This is from the XRP ledger discussing the capabilities of Ripple's payment channels, and it states this right here. 2017 is almost here, so keep things hot at work. Concentrated on enhancing the quality, stability, and performance of the Ripple open source code base while introducing fascinating new features to the RCL. Above all, we are still steadfastly dedicated to the straightforward objective of establishing XRP as the global reserve currency. They've stated this several times. They have repeatedly stated this. There is a cause behind it. They are collaborating with the government and banks for a cause. In the event that you wish to create a digital asset that is based on a global reserve currency, you must cooperate with the banks then. Working with all of the major banks, governments, and remitters in the globe is necessary to get your foot in the door, and Brad Garlinghouse and they have been doing just that. This is from Bloomberg Crypto. How about it? What happens is that we start staying to charter after he stated he would welcome an XRP ETF, prove that an XRP in Solana ETF will launch in the upcoming year. I don't think they will this year. The reason we'll pay attention, a large number of these government personnel are on summer vacation. When they return, it's like a brief summer vacation. You are aware that in order to get back into the swing of things, you will need to attend Q3 and Q4. This is sort of going to take everything away from them. On top of that, there's Thanksgiving and Christmas. The year has begun. We probably won't see it till the first of next year, just based on how the cycle and system operate, though I could be mistaken. Pay attention to Brad. If you believe that an XRP ETF would be welcomed, then we do too. In fact, I believe that multiple ETFs centered around various tokens are inevitable. Perhaps even ETFs centered around baskets will be visible, in my opinion, as they further spread that risk. I predict that many filings for Ethereum will be released. Given the recent developments, I even believe that Ripple may see some action. You may have noticed that Grayscale just added Ripple to one of their publicly traded trusts. Therefore, I wouldn't be shocked if Ripple or Ethereum spot ETFs became available. Indeed. XRP ETF. How about it? You have Ether out there, I know that. I am aware of XRP. Would you like me to respond to that? I can't, and you don't want me to. Listen, that was BlackRock right there. They discussed the Ethereum ETF. What would actually occur? Maintain control while speaking about Solana, as I own Solana, which has the potential to reach a complete cycle of $2,000. I have also discussed the upcoming Solana ETF. That is yet another treasure. That's already popped out there. I'm thrilled that people are watching the pin tweet. That's our destination. Whales are starting to accumulate. I don't think Bitcoin will reach its bottom, which is currently near $60,000. I also believe that XRP, which is currently at 48 cents, will continue to rise. From this point on, that is all I will leave it at. I'll be back later. Listen.